It's the debut of Carcass, a non-traditional speed shop here in Nashville. We take Left for Dead rides and transform them into one-of-a-kind builds. I'm Jeremy Weckman. Along with my co-host Jimmy King, we are the hosts of a brand new show called Carcass, where we build one-of-a-kind automotive creations. Our focus is on fabricating those dream vehicles you had when you were a kid. And nothing is off the table when we start work. Break time is over. Let's go. Stick around for Carcass, because you never know what we're going to build next in this one-of-a-kind, non-traditional speed shop.